Welcome back to the KOA Morning News on Fox 14. Emily Frankowski back from Connect2Culture. Thanks for hanging around with us. We've had a lot of fun this morning.
We have.
And we've got more fun that's going on with Connect2Culture at the Cornell Complex.
Yes.
Again, only a couple of events left on this list, but there's so much more than that happening.
Yes, everything and more is on Connect2Culture.org. If you go to there, go to our calendar, sort through the different categories, you'll figure out everything arts, culture, entertainment going on in the four-state area.
As you mentioned, there's a lot of stuff going
There
on.
is.
But two big events you wanted to highlight here.
Yes, two upcoming shows in February. We've got The Secret Agency coming to the Cornell Complex, and that's on February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. Ooh. But this is a wonderful day to show your love for your kids. This is a wonderful, family-friendly, Grammy-winning hip-hop performance. You can see right there, it looks like a ton of fun. There's just so much fun, such great lyrics. They do rap. They talk about intelligence in kids and just bringing out their uniqueness. We're going to be doing a variety of also school shows, bringing in the entire fourth grade from Joplin schools and other schools to come and see them another day. But this is the public performance, a lot of fun, high energy. You'll be out of your chair dancing, I've heard. They've told me that prepare for a wonderful dance party. You can see it's going to be a lot of fun. But they do lots of, just talking about kids' intelligence, their uniqueness, and also mixes it with funk and a bit of rap. Lots of fun. And then for all of the theater buffs out there, we've got a real treat with Aquila Theater in Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. This is one of my favorite books growing up. And it's the classic tale of Mr. Darcy and Elizabeth, their two families, overcoming pride and prejudice to finally maybe end up together. Who knows? You got to come out and figure out if they're going to end up together or not in this theatrical, wonderful show. But Aquila Theater is one of the foremost producers of theater in the United States, and they're a professional touring theatrical company. You'll be able to see a professional production with actors that travel around the United States doing these performances. A lot of fun. This is February 22nd. It is a Wednesday. It's 7 p.m. Tickets are on sale at Connect2Culture.org for both of those shows. I would say to get them quickly because definitely for Pride and Prejudice, we've had a lot of ticket sales recently because people are very excited to see something of this quality in Joplin. It's just really rare, and now it's going to become less rare because we have the wonderful Cornell Complex where we can have all of these performances. Yeah,
and we've only got a few seconds, but what's it like now to be able to bring in such high caliber productions to this area?
It's wonderful. It's wonderful to have a place that we can choose all the shows, bring all of this to the Joplin area and just keep providing more and bringing what people want to have. If you have an idea, get in contact with us. We want to bring things that the Joplin area wants to see.
All right, Emily, thank you so much for joining us. Again, information at Connect2Culture.org, and you can also find this information at KOAMNewsNow.com. We will see you again next month, and we will see you right after this break.